Where you going, buddy? It's almost 12. It's like 11:45, and the wind's a little bit not great. There's some blitzing going on, but the waves aren't too bad. I had to drop my middle son off at college, which is a great reason to be late going out fishing. But yeah, this is normally the time that I'm heading back home. So I'm going to see what it's like when I normally assume things slow down. My guess it's going to be just a lot of bottom fishing, no blitzing, but there's some encouraging signs, and I've already missed that blitz there, but maybe there'll be another one coming by. All right, I'm going to get on. Let's see what it is. It's like a blue. Yeah, it's a blue. That's what's been giving me a lot of problems today. They're good size, they're fun size. But hard, man. Just chill, chill. He spit up another one of those bunkers too. I'm not gonna do another pate. Single hook, just a cheap. Thanks for the bait. Look at this bunker he's spitting on. Little bitty peanut bunker. There's one. Darter's always been good to me when there's bluefish around. I don't know what that is. That might be an albie. And oh, it is. It moves so freaking fast. Where are you going, buddy? Beautiful. Oh, no. Is that a bone? That's a big one. Oh, yes. That freaking made my week. Look at that beauty. Oh, I love you. Look at those sharp teeth. On a mag darter, I'm a little surprised about that. Oh, it's another bonito. Here we go, round in circles. Woohoo! What a day. Nope. Where are you going? You're going the wrong way. What a nice surprise. Oh geez, there's still more. I'm gonna keep throwing this diamond jig, the 2-ouncer. I'm on. Feels like a bluefish again. It's a good one though. You can throw the hook if you want. I thought you guys were bonito. Let's see if I can grab him by the tail. Ooh, geez, that water feels cold. Okay, wrong way. Oh, dude, always be ready. I could not tell her the cold, redemption. Feels like another blue. He's a feisty guy. Harder than it had to be. Oh, is that a bonito? It is. Nice. Oh, yes. What a beauty.